Question 6 offers us one of these huge number problems which really the calculator comes into its own on. We've got a flow rate of lava which is 11.9 cubic meters a second flowing out of this volcano, which is waiting to disperse this amount of lava out of itself. And we've got to give our answer correct to the nearest day. Now our lava flow rate is in seconds. Let's start working how many seconds it will take for this volcano to empty. And here we have it. This is the amount of lava waiting to flow out, and this is the rate at which it is flowing out. And if you pop that into a calculator, you get this answer in seconds. Now, seconds divided by 60 will equal minutes, and minutes divided by 60 will equal hours. And hours divided by 24 equals days. So we've got to take our sum here and divide it by 60, then 60 again, and then 24. So the time in days equals our answer in seconds here, divided by 60 times 24. And this turns out to be 65 days. And that's your answer.